Hello everyone, I'm Miss Amy. I'm a children's librarian at the Guilderland Public Library. Today I'm going to read the book Rain. Rain is a book that was written by Linda Ashman, she's the author, and illustrated by Christian Robinson. He's the illustrator, he did the pictures in the book. Rain is my favorite springtime story. It is about two people who go out for a walk on a rainy day, and one is a very grumpy old man, and one is a happy child dressed in a frog raincoat and boots. They don't know each other at the beginning of the story, but they meet by the end. I hope you enjoy Rain. This is Rain, story by Linda Ashman. Pictures by Christian Robinson. Rain. 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 Nasty galoshes. Blasted overcoat. There goes my hair. Is it raining cats and dogs? It's raining frogs and pollywogs. Hippity hop. Good morning, sir. Hardly. Dang puddle. Good morning, young man. Ribbit. Enjoy your paper. Just more bad news. How are you, Mr. Frog? Hoppy, hoppy, hoppy. Finally. We're here. Coffee, black. Cocoa and cookies, please. Yum. Delicious. Watch out. Sorry. Ribbit? His hat. Hey, wait. You. That one too. Mine? Ribbit? Yum. Welcome back, sir. Ribbit. The end. So did you like Rain? Did you like how the very grumpy old man was able to, once he met the small child, he was able to see that sometimes you can just be silly. It's fun to be silly, isn't it? Yeah, I like that story a lot. I downloaded today's book from Hoopla. You can find Hoopla on our website, and you can download more ebooks and audiobooks and actually videos too. If you're able to stop by the library today, there is a Grab-n-Go Storytime Kit available starting at 10 a.m. First come, first served, 1 kit per child, please. And they are available starting today, Monday, April 5th. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.